Hi there, Jen from Women Who Execute. I'm going to show you how to add your, how to claim your website in Pinterest. So on Pinterest, you'll want to enter in your website here. And by the way, you get there with the three little dots and you hit settings and then you come down here and it'll say claim your website. So I already claimed it. So I'm going to unclaim it right now. So here's the website. We're going to say claim. We're going to pick add HTML. We're going to copy that information. We're going to go to your WordPress site. And if you don't have Yoast SEO, then you need to get it. And the way that you get it is you go to plugins, you install, add a new plugin, and you're going to add this Yoast SEO. It helps you to make sure that your blogs have the best information so that you can get found. So mine's already added. So I'm going to go under SEO and we're going to click on social. And in here, you want to fill in all your social media. So like I have Facebook, you want to add all the rest of your social media profiles here. And make sure that Facebook is enabled, and the Facebook ID is actually, if you have named it, it'll be a name. If not, when you look at the top, if you see numbers, you're going to put that number in. If you have the name, then you're going to put the name in. Usually you have to choose a name over a number, but that's a whole nother training for a whole nother day. So that's in there. We're going to save the changes, because you always have to save changes along the way in Yoast. Okay, then we're going to go to Pinterest. We're going to click where it says Pinterest confirmation. We're going to paste in the information that we just got from Pinterest. And we're going to say save changes. It's going to think. And then we're going to go back to Pinterest and we're going to say next. All set. We'll check your site for the meta tag and email you in the next 24 hours. It usually doesn't take 24 hours. It's usually very, very quick. But if there's a problem, you want to know about it. Make sure you save changes along the way. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. I am always happy to help.